To produce the complex forms of the products of the future, you need an advanced, versatile servo press that can deliver specialized forming profiles. With the Seyi SD1, you really can rethink the way you form. You can customize the slide profile for each product you produce. And with its completely redesigned control system, you can easily gain from the incredible power and capabilities of this press. To deliver the complex pressing profiles required to form the products of tomorrow, you need a press equipped with a dedicated high-torque, low RPM, direct drive servo motor system. This system delivers the energy needed at low forming speed to make the products of tomorrow. And Seyi leads the market with a more powerful, sophisticated, compact and more cost-effective solution than any other servo press. The whole structure of the Seyi servo has been completely redesigned to specifically suit the torque and motion profiles of the servo press. The structure is designed to provide extra strength in the longitudinal and vertical axes. This is especially important as it allows the structure to absorb and control vibrations arising from the unique pendulum motion during operation. There is a recirculating lubrication system throughout the machine, so cooling is efficient, rapid and effective. This allows the SD1 to reduce gaps and deliver high precision pressing. Overload protection is vital for your investment, and with the Seyi SD1 we provide electronic overload protection system. Traditionally, hydraulic overload protection systems are used, but the hydraulic changer is subject to air pressure and temperature influences that can impact your accuracy. With the new electronic system, you have overload protection for the whole stroke and avoid accuracy issues by removing the hydraulic chamber altogether. With the SD1, you save on power whilst increasing your forming capabilities. The servo press uses far less power in standby than a traditional press and also ensures that energy is efficiently utilized to provide maximum pressing performance. Power stabilization is also included in the servo press to deliver surge prevention and save electricity.